Hello world! In this video, we will create a view to show a specific post. So first let's check out the route. Config router B, and we got the route for showing a post already. So next let's check out controller, post controller, and we have the method for a show function already. Alright, so everything ready, let's working on our view. On view, post, and let's create a new file. Show.html.erp. Alright, div.deflex flex column, align items center, and margin top 3 rem. Inside we have div.row post box call xl10 call lg11 call xs12, and inside we have div call lg8 call md7 padding x0, mean that padding for left and right is 0. Display flex post show image div.align cell center. So we have two columns. The second column is div call lg4 call md5 margin top on small desktop 4 and margin top on medium size desktop is 0. Alright, so the left side of the columns is I'm going to show the post. So let's open index, post list, and copy from here to here, copy, and paste it inside here, and change all posts to this post. Let's see, this two, this two, and this two. Alright, save it. Alright, the second columns, we have div row heading on left and right is 3 rem, and here let's print out user path post user class text decoration do, and I'm gonna print out an image tag avatar URL post user class post author icon, and another link to user path post user class normal color, no text decoration, display flex, align cell center, title post user name do. And we print out username post user.name. So basically we have user icon, the post author icon, and the author name next to it. Alright, so next we have hr.margin bottom 0 div.comment list padding on top and bottom is 2rem if post content.present and so if the post has content, that they write the content for the post, and we're going to print out span strong post.user.name, and next line we're going to print out post.content. Alright, they have the name of the post author, and the content. It was just like someone has command, we have his name and the content, right? And so in next we're gonna write is the load command here 100 times do and if actually I just print this, copy paste, but in here I would write something silly. Just print out some silly things like I just write some silly thing. It doesn't have any meaning. No helmet. Law. Okay. So again, I just write some dummy stuff to test if our view working good. Well, later when we're working on command, this should be the real comment. So for now, I just print 100 times dummy comments. We should tab it inside. Okay. Alright, so that's done for the comments, and we have HR in top 0. So right below is the action to like button, love button, comment, or bookmark. So I will copy it from, I think, in here, the action here. Copy and copy. Back in here we paste and delete some like this. Gonna delete it. Alright, we all set. Now let's create a link to a post so that you can click on that link to go to a specific post. So import list, and let's change it on this on times ago. I'll change it to link to time ago in words post created at uppercase. We append it with a go string and post path post class like color post time and no text decoration, and delete all of this. Save, and let's see. Alright, so when you hold this, you can go to that link. Alright, we have an error. Yeah, we should change this to instant variable. I think this post, and where we have post. Alright, we're good now. Refresh. Okay, so you see that our command is way long. Oh, don't worry, it's pretty good now. Let's write some CSS, and that will be fixed. Access, style sheet, and application CSS. Now let's write command list. So we set the haze width, and when we overflow that high, we'll display a scroll bar. Post show image, background color, FFFA, margin 10 pixel 0. Save it, refresh. Yeah, look good now. So when it overflow, we could scroll it. Yeah, super cool. So that's it for this video. See you guys next time.